The FBI tonight is on the hunt for the leader of a violent street gang on the North Shore. The gang task force just released a wanted poster, hoping that you can help them track down Stephen C. Touch. He's an alleged leader of the Young Bloods. Police say Touch is wanted for murder and should be considered to be armed and dangerous. He has 6 tattoos, including the word blood on his right upper arm and the word mayhem on the right side of his neck. The FBI is offering $10,000 for information that leads to his arrest.